brothers, the circle. Cut it out. How do you cut it? With this locator, this base, just pull out. Okay, this blade is just stuck in the slab. Let's make sure first, this center point, it counts this as a fuzzy position. Yes, so we still put it on here. It's fine. Scale the gap here. Use this gap to determine whether you are at the center point. It's almost there. This edge, it's almost there, which means you've found the center of the circle. This is a little more annoying than lit and probe. There may be a deviation of about 1 millimeter. If you want to be precise, you have to be patient. Like our slogan. You need patience and courage today. And it lands right on the edge. Now we cut it out. Turn with this. Okay, add some salt. It should have been cut. Because this is the first generation of product. So we will definitely continue to optimize, make it more accurate and more convenient.